Right, just want to talk to you a little bit today about our next project in Paper Scissors Story, which is going to be this little book, which is a rather odd size of 7¼ by 10 the pages are. And it's a bit unusual because it's got a kind of a soft spine, shall we say, a floating spine. I've used papers by Recollections, which are these Green Witch papers, and when the kit goes on sale you'll have an opportunity to choose from 3, and I'll show you a bit more about the papers later, but I want to take you through the book just really quickly. So what we've got on the front is a magnetic closure and a kind of a gatefold. It's more of a folio book because you've got these 2 soft spines, one on each end. But when you open it up, I've tried to keep this simple and really focus on the papers because the papers are just so lovely. But when you open it up, what you've got here, first of all, is a kind of a sort of a stacked pocket. But I've done it slightly differently because it's kind of matted within a mat, just for a bit of different interest. And then of course we've got our usual photo mats to pop photos on as well, all sorts of different sizes, and they're just basically matted on the back. Then over here what we've got is a gatefold kind of arrangement, and here I'm using a little black clip. In your kit you will have clips with charms on, which Mel is just putting together now. So they're not going to be just plain black clips, they're going to be have associated little bits on to do with the paper that you've chosen, but they're just like a bit of interest. They don't particularly do anything, they just look pretty, which is enough for me. So here we go. On the book itself, we've got this kind of gatefold arrangement here. You open it up and there is a lot of kind of white space in here where you can add your own photos or whatever. We've got 2 little pockets here that I've used the design paper to make the pockets, and then you open it up again, and here we've got a slotted pocket, which is dead easy to do. I'll show you how to do that just with a couple of photo mats in. So there is a lot of space in this book for you to put your own photos, you know, as well as the photo mats, but those just kind of close up into a gatefold arrangement, and then our little clip goes on top like that. Now these 2 pages, I wanted to get back to my scrapbooking roots, and what I've done is these are just 2 layout style pages, so space for my photos, and then I've done some fussy cutting, and I've used the pattern paper probably to, you know, best advantage, just so I can, you know, create some interest on those 2 pages. But very simple, and there's no pockets, no flappy stuff, no nothing. We're just using the papers. Turn it over again, and on this page what we've got here, we've got another pocket with the photo mats. Open that up to another pocket here with the photo mat. Ooh. Open that up again and you've got another pocket with photo mats there, and then once again more space for you to be able to put your own photos. On this side, again, more pockets with space for photo mats. I just wanted to do the pockets a little bit differently this time, so that they're kind of sitting on top of pockets rather than, you know, being part of them, if that makes sense. And then the final set of pages, once again, we're going to have some nice charms on our clips, but this is kind of like a pocket of 3, I suppose. You've got pocket here on this side, you've got this page here in the middle, which flips across, and then you've got another pocket on that side. And then these 3 pockets are actually all the same size, and this one, you just take out the photo mats here to be able to see your photos, etc. So that is the book. It's not huge, but it is quite sturdy and bulky, and you'll be able to put lots of interesting things in it. Like I said, this paper that I've used is called the Green Witch, but you also have a choice of 2 others. So let me show them to you. The other 2 papers that I've chosen for this kit, because I know not everybody likes Halloween, is Halloween. That sounded great, didn't it? But it's Halloween, but also this Fall Orchard. And I'm going to start with the Fall Orchard because this is the one that I'm going to be using when I do the class. And it is absolutely stunning. Like with all these Recollections pads, the papers are foiled. I mean, I don't know if you can see on this. This is foiled with an absolutely gorgeous sort of copper rose gold. And it's just beautiful, but there is foiling on each of the paper pads. This one, Fall Orchard, I'll just go through it, flick through it really quickly. There's lots of apples, so you're going to find some apple charms. There's lots of plaids, there's lots of leaves, there's lots of sort of autumn things like sweater, look at that, like sweaters and bobble hats and mittens. Lots of opportunity for fussy cutting for that layout page that we discussed earlier. Look at this, perfect for fussy cutting. Lots of sort of autumnal things here, apples and socks and toffee apples. Look at that, foiled again, absolutely beautiful papers. So that's going to be one option for you to have, you know, your kit. And like I said, I will be using this. Oh, look at that. I will be using this in class. The final option is for you people who do like Halloween. I don't have so many of these. So if you want one of these, I would suggest that you buy it as quickly as possible. But this is called Halloweeny, but once again, it does have, you know, it does have those metallic accents as well. So you've got lots of lovely cut aparts there. So if you're a bit witchy inclined, you've got those lovely bits. We've got some bones, we've got some eyes, we've got our you know, what do you call it, the stripes. Love that, hanging with my ghouls. And this has got a lovely sort of you know, deep yellow gold as the metallic accent colour on here. Bats, stripes, I love stripes. Oh, look at that, that's ace. Pumpkins, gotta have some pumpkins. Oh, look at this. There we go, one crafty witch. Oh, I like that. Come in for a spell, and we can, you know, we'll be able to use all of these in the book. That would be ace on the front cover, I think. I'm not going to be making this up into a book, but if you need any, you know, any help with it, then just give me a shout. Oh, beautiful purples. Lots of opportunity for bits to fussy cut here. Oh, look, Mel. Gems. But that's the third option of papers. Oh, look at that. For the book. So these will be going live in the shop at thescraplab.co.uk. And you can just pick whichever one you like. There'll be a drop down menu and you can pick your choice of papers. Okay, thanks for joining me. If you've got any questions, you know where I am, and I'll hopefully see you all soon. Bye.